There was a time when cash was king, but it seems like those days are long gone, and now your credit determines everything. Our country from top to bottom is now built on credit. Credit to buy a home, a car, to rent an apartment, to lease anything, to get a phone, to turn on your gas and electric. Credit to determine your interest rates, insurance payments, and other financial obligations. Credit to gain employment or keep employment. We all live on credit. We all need credit, and all of that credit revolves around one thing: a credit score. Today, our credit score is like a vital sign. It's like your pulse and your heartbeat. It's being monitored at all times. So are you tired of paying more than you should because of your credit score? Are you being turned down for home loans, refinancing, automobiles, credit cards, and other opportunities because of your credit score? Do you just want the confidence and pride of having an excellent credit score? Because a high credit score gives you more control and many powerful advantages. A mediocre score creates limitations in your life, and a poor score basically gives you very few options. Of course, there are many legitimate reasons why someone's credit has been damaged and their credit score has dropped. Loss of a job, business, or income. The impact of a down economy and a sluggish real estate market. Maybe a bad investment. And then there are health issues, an accident or disability, or a divorce, or a loss of a loved one, or a number of other challenges. Oftentimes, these circumstances are actually beyond our control. So why should we be penalized and forced to struggle financially, or be unable to buy a home or a car because of a poor credit score? Don't we deserve another chance, an opportunity to recover, rebuild, and to restart with a fresh new beginning? Well, at United Credit Education Services, we believe you do. So no matter what your circumstances or credit challenges are, big or small, we can help you restore your score and revitalize your financial position and ultimately help you regain control of your life. United Credit Education Services is a 10-year-old organization with an outstanding track record. We hold an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We've earned a highly regarded certification through the National Association of Credit Services Organization, and we've helped tens of thousands of clients with fast and reliable results. So how does the service work? Our processing center utilizes the latest technology, ensuring fast, accurate results for our clients. Based on our process, credit reporting agencies are accountable to adhere to the newest legislation set forth by the Federal Trade Commission and the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Our credit specialist will first conduct an intense analysis and evaluation of each client's credit reports. Then, using the appropriate and effective legal language, customized dispute letters are prepared that address the derogatory accounts negatively affecting the client's credit score. This process is completed for all three credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Our outstanding deletion rate includes the removal of inaccurate, obsolete, or erroneous items, including bankruptcies, charge-offs, late payments, foreclosures, judgments, repossessions, tax liens, closed accounts, settlements, short sales, collections, inquiries, delinquent medical bills and school loans, and more. Throughout the process, clients are able to monitor the progress of their service with our 24/7 online client portals. Upon enrolling for the service, clients will have access to a secured login where they will see their initial credit score and also a list of the derogatory items that will be disputed. Clients can then continue to follow up for status updates on items that have been deleted or continued to be disputed. In addition, each client has access to interactive coaching with a personal credit advisor to get any questions answered or to receive expert guidance in understanding their credit profile and steps they can take to increase their credit score. All clients can also access and utilize our extensive library of credit education materials, enabling them to truly learn how credit works and how to effectively build an excellent credit rating. Once you've completed the simple enrollment process, then you will receive your dispute package via the mail and go through a simple 4-step process. Step number 1, review your dispute letters. Step number 2, mail your dispute letters to the credit reporting agencies. If no changes are required, simply sign your dispute letters and mail them directly to the agencies at the enclosed addresses listed in your dispute package. Step number 3, watch for your updates from the credit reporting agencies. You should receive updated credit reports from all three credit bureaus within 30 to 45 days. At that time, you will see what was deleted. It is very important you forward all credit bureau correspondence within a few days of receiving it back to United Credit. And step number 4, simply repeat the process. Once United Credit receives your updated credit reports from you, we will then update the records in your online client portal for your review and then prepare a new set of dispute letters and send them back to you to start the process again. At United Credit, our process is tried, proven, and documented, and our countless success stories are the highlight of our process. How about Lawrence Turner, whose credit was severely damaged because of the real estate market collapse and went from having a 522 credit score to a 749 in under a year? Or Maria Avila, who saw her credit score increase 100 points, enabling her to adjust all of her rates, including her auto and homeowners insurance, helping her to save a significant amount of money. And what about Steve and Kathy Merriman, who never thought it was possible to be homeowners because of their past credit issues and went from a rental unit to purchasing their own home? Or Sue Young, who was skeptical at first but decided to give it a chance and ended up having a judgment and several collections removed from her credit reports in a matter of months. And then there's Chuck Matthews, who upon attempting to buy a car for his wife learned that he had a 620 credit score, and within 60 days of utilizing the service watched his credit score elevate to a 799. Now this is just a small sampling of the many stories we are so proud of. Feel free to see more great results by visiting www.united-credit.org and to also see more detailed information about the fast and effective credit restoration service we offer. So now the question for you is, how much do you think having good credit is worth? Well, believe it or not, there are companies out there that have a far inferior service with far less credentials and yet charge fees that exceed $5,000. Well, with United Credit, our fee is nowhere close to that. As a matter of fact, it's not even $1,000. It's actually half of that at only $499 for about a year's worth of service, and that comes with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. And we even have a monthly option if that works better for you. Many people, of course, will try to wait for their credit to improve, but unfortunately the odds are not in your favor. A high percentage of the times, the negative items you feel will ultimately fall off your credit report don't, and they can stay on indefinitely until you take the appropriate action. You have a choice to exercise your rights, to regain and maintain excellent credit and save tens of thousands of dollars over the course of your lifetime. Or, of course, you can choose to ignore this opportunity and continue to struggle, understanding that each day your credit score remains mediocre or poor is leading to more wasted dollars and more missed chances of controlling your financial position. Our 10-year history shows us that in 90 days, in 6 months, in 1 year, your credit will probably still be in the exact same place. Don't wait. Take action. Enroll, because the dollars you invest today to significantly increase your credit score are dollars you can save for many years to come. Take control of your financial future and know that United Credit is a friend on your side. Don't hesitate to call us, because credit is our expertise and customer satisfaction is our #1 goal. That's our motto, and that's why every day we get to say you have nothing to lose other than your less than perfect credit. Make sure to contact your United Credit agent and get on your way to getting the good credit you deserve today.